Smart homes have been consistently on the rise for the last several years, from sprinklers to refrigerators to home security. Seemingly every home appliance and utility is getting a serious makeover. Today we'll show you the best home solutions to include in your abode. Whether you already have a few technology integrations in your home or are just starting a smart home, we've got you covered. With nearly 60 million US households using smart home devices in 2022, consumer demand proves their value. As a result of the pandemic, large swathes of the population are spending increasingly more time at home. It makes sense to increase the functionality and accessibility of your home where you can. Home devices. Home devices are probably one of the most familiar smart home products in our lineup today. Whether you choose Amazon, Google, or Apple as your preferred product developer, home devices, also called home assistants, help you control your smart home and any connected apps or devices. If you're feeding the pups and realize you're scooping up the last of the kibbles, a simple request to Amazon's Alexa to order more dog food has it on your doorstep the next day. Google's version, Nest Hub, can even start your day with a sleep report without having a monitor attached to you throughout the night. Light bulbs. One of the most convenient technologies that you'll use multiple times a day is smart lights. These Bluetooth-enabled bulbs connect through an app and will operate through your favorite home assistant. The next time you've got full hands unloading groceries, just ask your assistant to turn on the lights or turn them on through the app before you even get out of your car. Better yet, when it's time to binge the latest TV show or watch a creepy movie, dimming the lights doesn't require moving from the couch. Temperature regulation. Another popular application of smart technology is thermostats. Google Nest was one of the first on the scene and has secured a large portion of the market. Suppose you're coming home from vacation and realize you forgot to adjust the thermostat, leaving the air conditioner or heater running for days. In that case, you'll understand the value of avoiding that costly mistake again. With Nest, you can double-check from anywhere, and their advanced learning product will learn your habits and preferences, dialing in your perfect comfort levels at home. Garage door opener. You might not immediately think there are benefits to a smart garage door, but it provides a unique solution to a common problem. With porch pirates on the rise, MyQ has developed a workaround that stops them in their tracks. MyQ's smart garage system has an exclusive partnership with Amazon to protect your essential deliveries. You can allow garage access, watch your delivery in real time, and close up behind. During this process, your passage door to the house automatically locks, keeping your home secure. Sprinklers. If you've ever forgotten to turn off the sprinkler program in the middle of a rainstorm, this product should pique your interest. Ratio has helped consumers conserve more than 50 billion gallons of water since launching in 2014. This device considers weather and season, adjusting your watering schedules as needed. Schedule or change your yard care from anywhere, anytime through the company's app. Door locks. A smart door lock might be the best solution for those who have nightmares of being locked out of the house, or perhaps over the years, various house cleaners, dog walkers, or house sitters have ended up with copies of your keys and you've lost track of how many are out there. Smart locks enable users to unlock the door with the push of a button or a code entry for guests that can be changed upon their departure. It's been a massive win for the short-term home rental industry, property managers, real estate, and increasingly single-family residences. Shower. It might seem like something out of the Jetsons, but even your shower can be programmed to adhere to your every whim. You can control water volume and temperature with your voice or the touch of a button on the sleek console. And if you have multiple sprayers, each can be programmed individually, providing the ultimate custom shower experience. You can even put on a concert in your bathroom with integrated wireless speakers. If these smart home solutions sound impressive, we're excited to share that innovations are always on the horizon. The Consumer Technology Association hosts an annual event, CES, featuring innovative solutions and breakthrough technologies. This year's event introduced at-home body scanners, fully integrated smart doors, and more. CES 2023 will focus on the intersection of smart technology and sustainability and promises to deliver even more elegant and time-saving solutions to everyday consumer and business problems. Which smart product do you wish you had integrated into your home, or do you have a favourite product that has changed your life? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to let us know by tapping the like button. For more innovation-focused content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. Until next time, stay curious.